Hello, 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 how are you? This is Els Kibben from Mima's Crafty Corner, and today I have yet another in our ongoing series of what to do with book pages. This is a belly band. It's not cut down yet, but, you know, if it was in a journal, it would look like this, and it's a pocket, and there's a huge bookmark tag in there, so we're calling this belly band with bookmark. So that gets glued down to your page, and then anything that you want to put behind your belly band goes behind your belly band. Okay? So this one is so easy, it's grossly disgusting, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay? So get out your book pages. I'm going to get out my supplies, and I will be right back. Supplies. Book page. Doesn't matter what kind or what you want to use. We all know I have a hate-hate relationship. I hate to hate this book. But, you know, it's going to be pretty, so we're going to use it. A piece of file folder or, you know, 110-pound cardstock, whatever it is you use to make your tags. Paper trimmer and a bone folder. That's it. We don't need a scoreboard or anything else for this one. This one is easy, easy, easy peasy. All right. So let's just start it this way. Let's decide how wide we want our tag to be. And I'm thinking like 3 inches. That should be good. Okay. Now I'm not worried about, you know, the bottom because we're going to make this appropriate as we go. So that's the base for our tag. Now I'm going to clean up this edge. Normally I would leave it because it's really pretty, but it will be a problem later. All right, so we're getting rid of most of that. Not all of it, but most of it. And that's it for that part. So I'm going to get this out of the way. I'll be right back. We're going to go ahead and get folding. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so now what we need to do is decide, you know, what we want our front of our belly band to look like, you know, and I'm thinking like that spot right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tag on here, and I'm going to fold over my tag, keeping this as straight as possible. So I've made sure that my tag is, you know, my paper is wide enough to go over my tag. And I've made sure that my pocket is going to be the right size for my tag. So now the next part. Top of my tag, I'm going to probably want a finger pull in there. So let me find the middle. Close enough. Now I'm going to glue. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put glue along this very edge here and along this edge here. So let's glue the bottom piece down first. We should probably measure length. Oh yeah, that's way too long. All of my books are about 8 1/4. Okay, the pages. So I'm going to take this down to 8 1/4. This is not something you make ahead. This is something that you're going to make as you do the book. So we're going to take about 3/4 of an inch off of this. Okay? Let me just grab my craft knife real quick. That'll be the easiest, fastest way to do this. Go. See, sometimes you got to get your brain to work. There we go. I'm going to save that, though, because it's good stuff. All right. Now, gluing down this line. Across the bottom here. Put that down. Now, over here. and across the bottom here. Okay, those are the 4 places you're going to put glue. Bloop. All right. Now, if you are an inker, let's ink. Okay, now I can decorate this any way that I want, but it's pretty just the way it is because, you know, and my tag goes in there. Now, I'm going to probably want to cut my tag down because I don't want it to be, you know, we said 8 1/4 on that, so I'm thinking probably like 8 on this. Because now, you know, remember, I'm losing 1/4 inch down here. You know what? I'm going to go 7 3/4. Let's see where that puts us. Sorry, you guys can't see this again. My camera hates me today. Perfect. Make that into a little tab, and it comes right out. Now, I like it. So that's it. It's quick and easy. Okay? Yeah. Not something you can make ahead. This is going to be something you're going to make by the journal. And the reason is because, you know, it's different. Every journal's a different size. You might have pages that are 8 3/8, okay? And you want to make sure that this is going to work as a belly band. So if I'm going to put this in as a belly band, I'm just going to add some glue right here and glue right here and tuck it in. Or I could add glue on 3 sides and make it a tuck, okay? That's it. And then I have my nice bookmark that goes inside there. That's it. That's all I have for you today. If you're new here, hit the button. Welcome. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. I'm glad I didn't scare you away the first time. Check out the community tab. Go on over to my Facebook group. There's links in the description box below. And check out my Ko-Fi and my Patreon. All of that fun stuff. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.